Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to perform PAWS new tasks. So open the PAWS TG app, then go back to the end page, then you see the task almost last quest. So what you're supposed to do is you have to put your paws, yeah, or you use your 5 fingers, I think close up together like this, then just do like this. Then once you're done, just give it a reload. Okay, as you can see, that's how simple it is. So to perform this task, just either put your paws on your screen or put your two hands quoted together and then click on the screen, then load the Telegram in app and claim your reward. So thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe box below and like this video, and then comment that your favorite part or any questions. And also you can join our WhatsApp group where we share updates. See you in the next video. Peace out.